Kumar, and today we have a lead code problem number 344, reverse string. So first of all, we have to read carefully this question, and after that we will try to approach. Write a function that reverse a string. The input string is given as an array of characters S. So we have given a string S, and question's motto is to reverse the whole string. So first of all, we have to approach for this question will be mm, we have to reverse. So we have declare a function, a new, we have declare a new string. Okay, vector, sorry, new array, vector character, and that's new array will be ans, and we have run a for loop here. So and I will be less than s dot size and I plus plus. Okay, and after that here we have to put a condition logic how to reverse this string. So logic will be like if sorry, we have to push reverse array, reverse string s in ans array. Okay, so we have to write ans dot back push back mm, s array will be s dot size -1 and minus I. From this logic it will be right, this logic will be right, and after that we have to return, sorry, here not will be return function because void not return anything. So here will be s equal to ans assignment. Okay, so we have to run this. Okay, so correct, this answer will be correct. So I will recall to in front of all of you and what I have approached in this solution and what logic I have used here. So first of all, we have declare a function array ans name, and we have run a loop for loop, and there in ans array we have all pushed all reverse string, and this is the logic of pushed all reverse string, and main logic is here, and that logic is that as we have created here as empty string. Okay, and in this string we have s dot size means size of this string. Okay, so size of this string -1, it means last index of this string, because size of string will be more than index, one more than index, so we have minus 1 here. And minus I is for in conjugative way to increase I, and then it will be reverse respectively. Okay, so it was all about this question, and this is the solution with logic. I have not used any type of inbuilt function or anything, where we have to solve this question using function hashing mapping method. We have to use here to reverse string hashing mapping, but we have to use here logic, only logic, that will be work more efficient for you. On other question it will be helpful more than you have used any type of inbuilt function. Okay, so thank you to all of you. This was the solution, a perfect solution, optimized solution, and in the language of ChatGPT you can say optical solution. Okay, thank you to all of you.